Namaskar students, today I am going to teach you subject mathematics. In mathematics we will study chapter number 9, discount and commission. Here I take one example from practice at 9.1. A shopkeeper decided to sell a certain item at a certain price. He tags the price on the item by increasing the decided price by 25%. While selling the item, he offered 20% discount. Find how many more or less percent he gets on the decided price. Solution: let the decided price of the item be rupees 100. Therefore, marked price of the item is equal to rupees 100 plus 25% of rupees 100 is equal to rupees 100 plus rupees 25 is equal to rupees 125. Discount on the item is equal to 20% of rupees 125 is equal to 20 divided by 100 multiplied by 125 is equal to rupees 25. Therefore, selling price of the item is equal to marked price of the item minus discount on the item is equal to rupees 125 minus rupees 25 is equal to rupees 100. Since the decided price of the item is the same as the selling price of the item, so the shopkeeper neither makes any profit nor any loss on the selling item. Thus, the shopkeeper gets 0% on the decided price. Commission. Sometimes it is not possible for a company to sell their manufactured goods. In such a case, the company assigns responsibility of selling the goods, for example books, clothes, soap, etc. The person gets some remuneration for the service. The remuneration is called commission. The person who provides such a type of service is called a commission agent. Commission is decided in terms of percent. The rate of commission vary according to the type of goods. If owners of land, house, cattle, etc. want to sell their belongings, it is not easy for them to find such customers. In such a situation, the person who brings the seller and the buyer together is known as mediator or an agent or a commission agent. Food, grains, vegetables, fruits and flowers are also sold with the help of mediator or an agent. For the job of the agent gets commission. The commission is received from the seller or the buyer or from both. Example number 1. John sold books worth rupees 4,500 for a publisher. For this he received 15% commission. Find the total commission John obtained. Solution. Selling price of the books is equal to rupees 4,500. Rate of commission is 15%. Commission obtained is equal to 15% of selling price is equal to 15 divided by 100 multiplied by 4,500 is equal to rupees 675. Therefore, total commission obtained by John is rupees 675. 2. A farmer sold food grains for 9,200 rupees through an agent. The rate of commission was 2%. How much amount did the agent get? Solution. Here selling price of food grains is equal to rupees 9,200. Rate of commission is equal to 2%. Commission obtained is equal to 2% of selling price is equal to 2 divided by 100 multiplied by 9,200 is equal to rupees 184. Therefore, the agent got a commission of rupees 184. Rebate. The organization like a Khadi Gramodyog, handloom shops, handicrafts, selling centers, Bachat groups etc. give attractive discount on special occasion. For example, at the time of Gandhi Jayanti, the Khadi textile goods are discounted for promoting Khadi. At such times, the amount of discount is compensated by the government. This monetary compensation is called as a rebate. Hence, rebate is also a type of discount. The individuals having income up to certain limit also receive some discount on their payable income tax. This discount is also known as a rebate. Here Uma Devi purchased the following items from a Khadi Bhandar. First, three sarees for 560 rupees each. Second, 6 bottles of honey for 90 rupees each. On the purchase, she received a rebate of 12%. How much total amount did Uma Devi pay? Solution. Here number of sarees is equal to 3. Price of each saree is equal to rupees 560. First, therefore cost of 3 sarees is equal to 560 multiplied by 3 is equal to rupees 1680. Also number of honey bottles is equal to 6. Price of each bottle is equal to rupees 90. 2. Therefore cost of 6 honey bottles is equal to 90 multiplied by 6 is equal to rupees 540. Total amount of purchase is equal to cost of 3 sarees plus cost of 6 honey bottles is equal to 1680 plus 540 is equal to rupees 2220. Rate of rebate is equal to 12%. The rebate is equal to 12% of total amount of purchase is equal to 12% of selling price is equal to 12 divided by 100 multiplied by 2220 is equal to rupees 266.40. Amount paid by Uma Devi is equal to total amount of purchase minus rebate is equal to 2220 minus 266.40 is equal to rupees 1953.60. Therefore total amount paid by Uma Devi is equal to rupees 1953.60. Thanks for watching this video.